Good day! Before we get stuck into today's video, I want to talk with you about three things. Number one, my name is Daryl Thompson. Welcome to my channel. Now, if you'd like to access the 27 plus years of guitar playing experience that I have in both church and secular band environments, as well as the time that I've spent teaching music in college, then go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to tap that bell so that you're notified when I release new material. Number two, in today's video, we are looking at the main solo in the Planetshakers song, You Are Good. Now, what's going to happen in a moment is I'm going to play the solo along to a backing track that I've created, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to hand over the backing track to you for you to practice the solo with. So some things to help you with how to approach the solo. The solo isn't amazingly fast, it's not especially technically difficult. The way that you play the notes in the solo will distinguish between whether a good musician is playing the solo or a great musician. So that means the way that you're sliding up to notes, the way that you're bending notes, the character that you give notes really determines whether this is just you playing notes or you expressing music. And lastly, number three, I've called this the main solo of the song You Are Good because at the end of this song there is another solo, one that I find is far more difficult, much faster, but the good news is that I've created a video teaching you how to play that solo. So if you stay till the very end of this video, I will provide you with the link to that video. Anyway, let's get stuck into this solo. Muy bueno! Now, as promised, here is the link to the video where I teach you how to play the outro solo for the song You Are Good. Vaya con Dios!